Konnichiwa! Today, I'll teach you how to make easy homemade pan pizza. First, we'll make the dough. You'll need 1 and 1/4 cup of water. Add 2 teaspoons of instant dry yeast. Let it sit for about 5 seconds and then add 3 cups of flour. In this measurement, you can make 6 pizza dough crusts. If you want to make more, I'll put the measurements down below. Add more flour if the consistency of the dough is too sticky. Knead it for about 10 minutes. Make sure it is completely smooth and slightly tacky to touch before transferring it to a clean bowl. Cover and let it rest for 20 to 30 minutes or until the dough rises. Step 2. Let's make homemade fresh tomato sauce. Ingredients are salt, dry basil leaves, garlic powder, tomatoes, and 1/2 white onion. Chop tomatoes into quarters and onion into julienne cuts. First, heat up the pan with oil. Add the onion and cook until translucent in color. Add the tomatoes. And 1/8 cup of water. Cook it for 3 minutes until the tomatoes are soft. Blend the ingredients. And when you're done, cook it again in the saucepan. Season it with salt, garlic powder, or depending to your taste, and lastly, dry basil leaves. Add sliced tomatoes to add chunks to your sauce. And it's done! Step 3. How to make thin crust pizza in a pan. Take the dough that we had rested for 30 minutes. Put oil in the pan. And flatten the dough using your fingers. Pricking the dough with a fork before cooking it allows the steam to be released during cooking, and it helps the dough to rise evenly. Cook it in a low medium heat. Put the tomato sauce, design, and choose your own toppings. Cook it in a low medium heat pan until the cheese is melted. And it's done! That's how you make an easy homemade pan pizza.
So delicious. Sarap naman. Sarap.
To keep you updated, please like and subscribe. Ciao!